Hello, I'm Peter, and I'm at Chicane, which has become sort of my second home really, because the first Aston Martin that I bought was a DB5 3 or 4 years ago from an auction, and it needed quite a bit of work on it, and I found Chicane, and I've been very happy about what they've done for that car, and it now runs really well. And then during the conversations on the DB5, I started to talk to John about racing, and he and I talked about what about a DB2, which is behind me. But what we found was it needed a lot of work, and that's what we're in process of doing now. And I found it to be a pleasure to work with Chicane in all sorts of ways. They're friendly, good people to work with, but professional, very keen to do an excellent job. And I'm very happy to support them and to use them.